There's some police, but just relax. We're not doing anything wrong. Kumawa na sang. So starting from now, I will be talking to you, even though my English is broken. So please bear with me, and I hope we can understand each other, even though if you are from America or from Slovenia or from, I don't know if you speak English, or yeah, I will be your cycling tour guide here in Japan. So talking to the microphone is a little bit awkward, and yeah, I hope I will get used to it soon. And as you can see, yeah, it's my first time talking to the microphone. I don't know what I'm doing. Yes. Japan has really good vibes, guys. So if you come here for the first time, just follow the rules, okay? And study some basic Nihongo. Yeah, I think my English is already influenced by some little Japanese, because yeah, I cannot pronounce really well. Just bear with me, guys. Ooh, it's already night that we have some really good camera, and I hope this camera is a good investment. So I'm already buying the things that yeah can start me to blog or to record video or some upload YouTube. I have to wait for my road bike to come. Actually, I'm still saving for that, and as you know, road bike is very complicated. I mean, yeah, you really have to choose, but for me as a beginner, I will try to choose what is best for the beginner. And here in Japan, I'm always riding bike. So but for the road bike, I didn't rode at least once, so it will be, yeah, I'll be classified as a beginner. But you know, okay, follow the rules. Do not cross when it is a red light. Yeah, there's some police, but just relax. We're not doing anything wrong. We're just very good citizen here. Okay. this bridge. As you can see, there's some label here, right there. So Jiten Chawa Politik. I don't know what kanji is that, but it says please manually or take off from your Jitenshan or your bicycle. Do not ride it. Okay, that are some simple rules here in Japan, but when if it is rush hour, so many people are riding their bikes, including me. No, that one that who I'm really excited to do this, to have videos or some good videos. Yeah, Japan Vibes train. In my country, I really don't have the chance to ride some train because the train is only available at the city. I'm living at not really a city, like it's called province, yeah. So we need to say the bus is have an hourly trip, and yeah, so if you miss that trip, so you will wait for the next hours. Yeah, that's province like no train. Okay, I hope you can still hear me clearly, because as of this moment it is really windy. Okay, oh, where's cargo? Parking. Okay, wait for me, thank you. Oops. It's my right of way. Arigato. Yeah, I'm so happy to have my tail light also, which helps the driver at the back that there is a bicycle. Okay, and I guess by next week or something like that, I will buy a bike computer in order for me to navigate long distance trip. For not using my phone, it is because using cell phone here in Japan while driving is really prohibited. Okay, so you cannot look or you cannot make some alibi that you're looking maps for your direction. But as you can see, there's a bike computer that really gives a very good map or navigation. Okay, we will just ride like for the traffic, and I think next week I need to buy some helmet. I don't have helmet. It's because this province, it is not really strict. I mean, the city I live in is not really strict, so if you don't have a helmet when riding, so it's okay if you do. But I observe if you are riding road bikes or mountain bikes, not like this I'm riding, So you really need a helmet. Okay, so I guess I will buy that first before the buy computer, because as you can see, it is for my safety. Yeah, safety is our best. It is our first priority. I just buy some vegetables for my dinner. Okay, yes, I'm so happy that Japan has so many konbini, I mean supermarket. So see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.